Horns up and welcome to a brand new episode of Headbanger's Kitchen. Today we're going to be making a quick and easy keto snack because people are always looking for snacks on keto. Anyway, we're going to be making some delicious keto cheese crackers, and not just one kind. We're going to be making two different kinds, one using cheddar cheese and one using goat's cheese. Anyway, enough jibber jabber, let's get cooking. So we're going to start by making the goat's cheese crackers, and you're going to need some aged goat's cheese for this that you're going to cut into thin slices. Now you need a nice hard aged goat's cheese. You can't use the soft goat's cheese, that won't work. So please buy the right kind of goat's cheese. Anyway, once you've cut those goat cheese slices, it's time to fry them up. So to make the crackers, we're going to get a non-stick pan on the stove, and you're going to put it on the lowest heat possible, and then you're just going to place the goat's cheese in the frying pan. Just spread them out evenly across the pan, and then there's nothing to do but just wait. So what's going to happen is the cheese is going to start to melt, it's going to release its oil, the fat is going to separate basically, and the cheese will start frying in its own fat, and it'll start getting nice and crispy. After about 2 or 3 minutes of frying, it's time to flip these over, and I'm trying to avoid using my metal spatula on the non-stick, so I'm using a fork and a spoon and a plastic spatula. And well, eventually, it was possible, but I got sick of it, and then I finally switched over to my metal spatula, and then just flip them over and let them crisp up on the other side as well. And you will see that they have a nice golden brown color. And you got to be careful here because you don't want this to burn, otherwise you get a horrible burnt taste in the cheese. So make sure it's nice and golden brown. You'll see that it gets golden brown on both sides, so flip them over to check. And then, my friends, that's it, they're pretty much done. Take them out of the frying pan and put them on a plate to cool. And that's it. Your goat cheese keto crackers are ready. It's just cheese eaten in a fried form. Delicious. Anyway, now onto the cheddar cheese crackers, and I'm taking about 50 grams of my favorite cheddar cheese and just using a grater to grate it. You could possibly slice it and make it as well, but I just think the grater makes everything easier, and you'll find out why in just a few seconds. Anyway, once you're done grating the cheddar cheese, we're going to sprinkle on some onion powder. Oh yeah, this is my little secret, and this gives it a nice oniony flavor, almost like Pringles sour cream and onion. Anyway, make sure you give that a good mix, and now it's time to fry these crackers. So once again, get your pan on the stove on the lowest heat possible and spoon your cheddar and onion mixture into the frying pan. So since I'm using about 50 grams of cheddar cheese, I've made 5 cheese crackers, so that's about 10 grams a cracker. Pretty even if you ask me. Anyway, once again, there's nothing for you to do except wait. The cheese will melt, it will start releasing its fat, and it will fry itself. And then once you see some color on the cheese crackers, flip them over. And you can see this has gotten a little dark. You could flip it over before it gets so dark, but just be careful because these can burn quite quickly. However, these are okay. They're just going to taste more oniony. But yeah, that's it. Flip them over, and then once they're done, they're done. Get them out of the pan. And that's it, my friends. Your crackers are ready. Your keto cheese crackers made from goat's cheese and cheddar cheese are ready. Anyway, enough jibber jabber, time to taste. Alright folks, it's time to taste our keto cheese crisps. Crisps.
I'm drinking, but he's slurring.
Alright folks, so it's time to taste our keto cheese crisps, and look who's joining me to taste them today. It's my dad, Mickey Makija.
Guys, it's a Sunday, vodka naril pani time, and what better snack can you get than a cheese crisp?
Yes, so there are 2 of them. One is a cheddar cheese and onion, and the other one is goat's cheese.
Okay, goat's cheese looks like a nice bite-sized piece, nice and crisp. Looks like a, kela wafer, if you know what that is, banana wafer.
Oh, yummy.
Nice, chewy, tasty.
I love the flavor of goat's cheese, so I dig this. And you can also use it to dip it into some kind of a sauce, like a pesto.
And if you love sodium, right up your alley.
Alright, that's the cheese and onion one.
That's the cheese and onion one.
Cheddar cheese to be precise.
I like the color on this one. Nice brown, golden, and I think it has a better crunch than the earlier. Oh, it's great stuff.
Yeah.
You have a chef like this in the house who needs to step out to eat. Cheers, guys.
Anyway, my dad has given the keto cheese crisps or crackers or whatever you want to call them the thumbs up. So I guess I will see you on the next episode of Headbanger's Kitchen. Cheers and keep cooking.
I'll be there too.
Hey folks, if you're looking for more keto snacks, click here and watch my recipe video for some vegetarian keto snacks. Or maybe you want a chicken nugget, a keto chicken nugget. Click here. Click. I'm waiting.